so I have put 2 completely packs in my hair, so as you can see, I am going to have to use a little bit of the 3rd pack just to finish off the rest of my hair. One thing to note is that even though these twists are pre-looped, or the hair is pre-looped, you can unravel, and that's what I've been doing in the front. This is about half of one. You can unravel to make the pieces in the front smaller. Just a reminder that when you do it, you are gonna want to tear it really quick. Don't be slow with it, just rip it really fast. So that's just my one update, is that yes, these are pre-looped, but you still can slowly unravel and then rip them really hard or really fast to get the smaller ones to be able to put in the front of your hair. So like I said, this is 2 packs. I am almost completely done except for this side over here, so I'll just go ahead and get finished.